Exercise 28. Exponential functions and lines. The graph of the exponential function h in the xy plane passes through the points 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 9. In order to solve this one, I'm going to try to visualize it for you. So this is the set of the axes. It's the x and y axis. We were told that the equation, the exponential function passes through the points with coordinates 0, 1. So let this be the 0.1. Then it's 1, 3, 1. Let's say that this is 1, 3. And then it should be 2.9. So let's put that here. And this means that that exponential function would look somehow. We don't know whether it crosses the axis or not. For now, we simply don't care. I'm going to write it like that because I don't want to squeeze it on the axis. This could be the exponential function. Which of the following is not true? A line can be drawn that does not intersect the graph of h. No, that is true. We can draw a line that does not intersect the graph of h. For instance, this line. So this crosses out A. And it's all due to the concavity. That graph, the exponential one, has to be concave up, increasing as it goes to the right with a steepness. In B, a line can be drawn that intersects the graph of h at exactly one point. This as well could happen. For instance, these lines are called tangent lines. That could have been. So it's not B either. A line can be drawn that intersects the graph of h at exactly 2 points. In fact, every line that crosses the exponential function will intersect with that graph at exactly 2 points. Finally, once again, due to the concavity, which should look like that, like a moon, we cannot by any means draw a line that will cut that graph, that exponential graph, at more than 2 points. So, which is not true? D is not true.